So this is the very first trailer we've ever built, the frame out of pure aluminum. So this is what we call the Highway Light. This one is just finishing up the production here. We still have some decals to put on. These units are so new, we actually don't even have the decals in yet. So they're still getting shipped into us. They're going to be here on Monday, surprisingly. But this is the first model we've ever built out of aluminum for the frame. And again, over the last couple years, with vehicles getting more expensive and people wanting to go camp more. One of the big things customers have asked us for is, hey, can you build me a lighter trailer? How do I get a lot of weight out of your basic units? So we decided, hey, we're just going to go ahead and build an entirely new model to kind of service that market of ultra affordable, ultra lightweight.
That makes sense.
So since I've picked them up before, you can take a couple fingers and just lift up the tongue on this trailer here.
Oh, wow.
So yeah, like I said, the average build out to
40 pounds roughly?
Yeah. So it's about 746 pounds total. Tongue weight's usually going to be around 10% on that. Because this is aluminum and because we're not putting a bunch of toolboxes and stuff on the front, which we can do smaller boxes on this, your tongue weight's really going to be closer to about 5%.
Okay. Because I was like, I know I'm strong, but I'm not 74 pounds
no, it's
strong.
surprising. It's deceiving when you pick it up compared to a regular trailer. But we still use a 2,200 pound torsion axle on this.
Beautiful.
So it's really good, off-road capable suspension to an extent. But again, the type of vehicles that will be pulling these aren't necessarily going to be doing the heavy duty off-roading. So
they'll find a forest road. They're not going to go hit the trail.
Yeah.
That's fair.
Yeah. And really the main differences on these, we've added electric brakes as standard on this unit because when you get into these kind of lighter vehicles that are nearing their tow capacity, that's one of those kind of key safety features that we're like, we're not going to really let customers decide we're going to require brakes.
That makes sense.
For safety.
Yep.
Brakes on all our other options are optional because not every state requires it, not every vehicle needs it.
Gotcha.
Right?
Yeah, but if I put this on a cross track,
right,
you gotta have brakes back there. So it makes perfect sense.
So brakes are standard. It's obviously 4 feet by 8 feet. It doesn't come in other sizes like our other units because it's really servicing that niche. It's built out of aluminum. Otherwise, all the other creature comforts, the fans, the awnings, the roof rack bars, the power stations, all that can go on here.
Gotcha.
So you can still get 90% of a hiker just in a smaller, lighter weight form.
Nice. That's perfect, man. Because everyone, efficiencies, right? Like, if you don't have, say, a smaller vehicle and you have a little bit bigger vehicle, you put one of these on and it's like it's not even there.
Yeah.
You don't drop 5 miles down to gallery. So that's super cool.
Yeah.